The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by...
Getting a divorce is hard enough on its own. Tom Ashton from Ashton Law Office explains your options when it comes to navigating through the process.
People often ask me what options they have and if they need to hire an attorney to get a divorce. Whether your divorce is fault-based or no fault-based, whether it's contested or uncontested, you have three paths available to you. The three paths are do it yourself, hire a mediator, or hire an attorney. The first path, doing it yourself, can save you some money in the short run. However, in the long run, you could be worse off. Not knowing your rights and obligations under the law could result in you leaving money on the table. The second path is hiring a mediator. A mediator is trained to resolve disputes out of court. However, a mediator is not trained in all of the legal issues you may face during the divorce process. The third path is hiring an attorney. While an attorney might be expensive, hiring an attorney is usually the best way to ensure that you know what rights and obligations you have under the law. Well, there are a few things you should look for in hiring an attorney. The first one is to make sure that you have a good interpersonal relationship with the attorney in order to make sure that you are honest with the attorney and that you can trust the attorney's advice. I have a blog post on my website that is all about honesty with your attorney and how it is the #1 thing that you should do to improve the outcome in your divorce. As an attorney, I am trained to listen. I'm also trained to separate emotion from fact. The second most important thing you should look for in an attorney is that you should find an effective communicator. Someone who can communicate effectively with the courts, opposing counsel, and with you in order to gain the best outcome and put you in the best position possible after the entry of the final decree. The third thing you should look for in hiring an attorney is to find someone who shares a commitment with you to achieving reasonable goals. What seems fair to you and what the court can do under the law may be two separate things. The law is limited. A good attorney is trained to guide you through the process and put you in the best position possible following the entry of the final decree. I'll be hosting 2 free information sessions called Facing Divorce, where I'll share answers to the most common questions about the legal process of separation and divorce in Virginia. If you're facing separation or divorce, you're welcome to attend one of these free sessions. The free Facing Divorce sessions will be at the South County Library on Merriman Road on October 17th at 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. and repeated at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m.